So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this on the left hand side, you're going to click on accounts. And then scroll down. And then click on sign in options. And now you're going to select Windows Hello. For me, I must add a password before I can use Windows Hello. So I'm going to click on password. And then click on add. Just going to make a password. And then click on next. And then click on finish. And now we can set up Windows Hello. Type in the password. And now you can type in the pin that you want. You could also include letters and symbols if you want to, by ticking this, and then typing in letters as well, along with the symbols. And then click on OK, and then you should be good to go. You could also change your pin by clicking on change pin. And you could remove your pin. And if you forgot your pin, you're going to click on I forgot my pin. And then type in your password, and then you could reset your pin.